Hi there, welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom. I'm Devin. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, hey! So this is part 2 of my meditation room. I'm sitting here right now and my butt hurts, so I definitely need some pillows. And I got some, I'm gonna get some more. My pillow shopping trip, it was so much fun at home. That's the name of the store. If you don't have that store near you, you can go online, but it's so much better when you're in the store. It's literally floor to ceiling. It is amazing, filled with everything you need to decorate your house. It is so cool. I'm also gonna throw in a little DIY for you guys. So on my channel, I do a lot of DIY gifts and decor. I do some Dollar Tree crafts, and then I do some organizing and decorating. I made this. Can you believe that? I am not a fabric person. You guys know I don't sew. I don't do anything with fabric except for some no-sew pillows and a no-sew bench pillow. That's pretty much the extent of my fabric knowledge. But this is so cute. Look at this. It is so nice. I love it. I love the color. I love the size of it. And I love that I can stick my yoga mats in it, or my pillows, or my blankets. You guys know I'm like a blanket hooch. Like, I love my blankets and I love pillows. So I am just so excited. But today you're gonna see my pillow shopping at the at-home store, and you're gonna learn how to make this. It really wasn't that hard. So if I can do it, you can do it. So grab some fabric, grab a basket, and let's get DIYing.
One of my inspirations was from the Pottery Barn, but in fabric, if that makes sense. You can use any laundry basket, and I have the fabric left over from that thrift store clean out I had done, and I'm just fitting it inside the basket. I want it to look comfy, if that makes sense. So I used some spray adhesive on the bottom and a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to cover the bottom, and I do it both ways just to have the whole bottom covered with the fabric. And then I'm gonna flip it over and make sure it all fits inside. I want the whole thing covered in this fabric. Now, this is my first time ever trying something like this. I have no idea how it's gonna come out, but I love how it came out. So it's a little hard to see here, so I'm gonna try to walk you guys through what I'm doing. I'm just pushing everything in, and then I hot glue the fabric right to the edge of the basket. Now, in hindsight, I will not be able to take this off to wash it. So I definitely didn't think about that. I'm gonna have to spot wash it and vacuum it whenever I need to clean it. But I love how it came out. If you have any tips on how you guys do this, please let me know in the comments, because I would definitely like to do this again, but be able to have it a little bit easier to clean and take care of for future reference. So I'm going to keep doing that and going around and just making sure that everything is fit well. So I go through and I do cut off some extra, and then I hot glue it right to the plastic, just so, again, everything is covered and you don't see any of that blue. So it's covered. And now I had some extra fabric. And again, this is a little tough to see, but I just hot glue it right to the edge like that, and I go all the way around the whole top, which you can't see, but that's what I do. So what I'm gonna do on the bottom, this is what I did to the top. I hot glue it, and then I cut on the bottom, thinking I was gonna pull it tight and make like a pleat, but then I realized I could just hot glue it like this about every 4 or 5 inches, and then make a pleat and hot glue the pleat instead of cutting. So I only cut that one time, and then I realized I didn't have to keep doing that. So I'm just going around hot gluing every couple inches, and I hot glue right to the other fabric, but onto the plastic part where there's more security. And then I just make a little pleat, and then I hot glue it to the other fabric. So again, if you have tips for me, please let me know, because this was, again, my first time. I think it came out perfect because it's for a meditation room and I want it to look cozy. But if I was to do this again, I definitely would want it to look a little different. But look how cute it is. It just matches everything I want to do with the coziness and you could put in, like I said, my yoga mats or more pillows. But I really just love how this came out, and I love the little pieces hanging to make it look a little whimsical, and I just love it so much. And that's another inspiration picture. So let's go shopping now. So much fun. I am so excited. So of course my ADD got me wild when I got in there. I'm looking for pillows and I see so much spring decor mixed in with pillows, but it's all really cute and you never know when you're gonna see something you need. So I'm looking around, and again, I am shopping for a meditation room, so anything that would go with that vibe is what I'm looking for. So I really have no set design and no set things to put in the room. Like, I love those metal letters. I think they're so cute. But this is definitely something I need to go back to for spring decor because these things are so cute. And again, a lot of times I like to just take pictures and then go home and recreate it because we're DIYers. That's what we do. But I wanted to show you guys all the cute stuff they had because it's so cute. I love this store. So these are some outdoor pillows, and I wasn't sure exactly the fabric that I wanted, if I wanted it rough or soft. Also, I'm not really looking for a certain pattern because the room is going to have a lot of different feelings going into it, like with the decor I'm putting in and the tapestries. So I don't want it overwhelming with pattern. But if it's a pattern that matches like a meditation vibe, then I'll get it. But I'm really trying to stick to like a solid color, if that makes sense. But I do love these outdoor pillows, and I did end up grabbing one. But then I found some floral, and I was so excited, and I love how they have their floral out. It's just all color coded, and I love how it's just so whimsical, and I definitely wanted some fake floral to mix in with the real plants just to have, you know, like a difference, if that makes sense. And again, I'm not looking for a set thing, so whatever catches my eye is what I'm gonna grab. And I love all of these, but I did end up finding one thing that I really, really loved. And it's this right here. Oh my goodness, so adorable. And it's $5.99. That's not bad at all. It really isn't. And then I saw like all these little flowers, but we can make these kind of things. Like, I really love these arrangements, and the prices aren't crazy for these little arrangements, so if you do look online, I bet you would find something in your price range that you like. But I know I can make it cheaper, so I just wanted to kind of look, get a little bit of inspiration, and see if there was something I thought would look good in my room. So I really came here for pillows, and I found the pillows. The basis of the room is like gray and yellow, and the tapestry I got is a lot of browns. So I definitely can play with the colors, but I definitely need gray and yellow. And so I'm looking over here, and they have really good sales sometimes. So I want to definitely look around and see if I can get something on clearance, something on sale. But again, why I like to go in person is so I can feel the pillows, so I can get the right texture that I'm looking for. I just love all of these pillows. This store is one of my favorite stores, and anytime I have a break and I can go out here, I always love making a trip.
So that's it, guys. That's it for my pillows. That's it for my fabric. And it's time to get this room put together. So I am so excited. I can't wait to put everything in. I have so much fun stuff, all my little crystals and my tarot cards, and I'm just so excited. On my channel, I do a lot of Dollar Tree crafts DIY gifts and decor, some thrift flipping. So if you like those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a little break from my crafts. I have had so much fun doing my own DIY and organizing and decorating, and I'm just so excited for this room. So I hope you guys are excited for my next video, the reveal, and I can't wait to see you guys back. Have a great weekend.
Souls weave together.